Ito ang sinasabing Sprinkle Nursery. Okay, ma'am. Ito po. Ito po yun. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Agriculture, Western Visayas, Parola, Iloilo. Ito po yung mga logo. Name of project, installation of plant nursery facility with automotive sprinkler irrigation system, lot 1. Location, Sitio Ameligan, Cabugao, Altabas, Aklan. Source fund, high valued crop. It's BCDP 2025. Beneficiaries, high valued Altabas Farmers Association. Service area 130 has. Project cost PH 7 ito 749,300 at 34.37. Contract